You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to say the name of this favorite Russian beverage, alcoholic drink, known in English as vodka. Vodka, is that how you pronounce it? Let me know in the comments. No, how do you say it in Russian? How is it said in Russia? Vodka. Alright, so let's break down the pronunciation here. Vod, so you have a longer O sound in Russian. Vod, the D is almost like a T. It's a bit softer than a T though. Vodka. And the A is not A, it's A. Pretty much like in English. So English vodka, vodka, vodka. Do you get it? Let me know in the comments. Vodka. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.